The new grass has really shot up over the past couple of weeks. As I mentioned in the previous video, the wooden fence is temporary. It's there to keep the animals out of the new grass. I've also added a UV light filter to assist with keeping the water crystal clear. The UV filter is a must and worth their weight in gold. I've also added 2 aerators to add oxygen to the pond. They also help to keep the water moving. I'll add links in the description. The filter is working beautifully. We also ordered a windmill to add to the left side of the pond area. We hope to have it put together tomorrow. I'm very happy with how quickly the new grass is growing. It should be well established by the end of fall. We had to add some temporary protection for the plants. The animals seem to like them too much. We've also removed our raised garden area. Not sure what we're going to do there yet. We have a total of 8 fish. 3 goldfish that we've had for over 7 years, 2 goldfish that we just added the other day and 3 koi that we added over the summer. If you'd like continued updates every few weeks or so, just let me know, I'll be more than happy to put something together. Also, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel.